Bonjour les amis! Welcome back to FLS Kids. It's time for le mot de la semaine. Today's word is a place full of magic and tall trees. La forêt. La forêt. Can you say it with me? One more time. La forêt. It means the forest in French. It's a big green place where many animals live and play. Fred and Renette are putting on their hiking boots today. They're going on an adventure into the deep woods. Regarde, Renette, Fred says, looking up high. Everything is so green in la forêt. Renette points to a giant tree reaching for the clouds. Oui, look at l'arbre. L'arbre, the tree. It's very tall and has many branches. Fred looks down at the ground and finds something crunchy. And look at this, Renette. Une feuille. Une feuille means a leaf. In la forêt, there's thousands of feuilles on the ground. Suddenly, they hear a hoot from above. C'est un oiseau, says Renette, pointing to the branch. L'oiseau means the bird. He is singing a song to all the other animals in la forêt. Fred and Renette take a deep breath of fresh forest air. J'aime la forêt, says Fred. It's so peaceful here. So, let's remember together. La forêt, forest. L'arbre, tree. La feuille, leaf. L'oiseau, bird. Bravo les amis! Do you like to walk in la forêt? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to follow FLS Kids for more fun French words every week. À bientôt!